Forgotten username recovery failed on First Citizens Bank fix. If your attempt to recover your username on First Citizens Bank keeps failing, don't worry, this is a fixable issue. Most people assume it's a system problem, but the truth is recovery usually fails because of mismatched information or outdated contact details. Let's break down how to fix it step by step. Start by visiting the official First Citizens Bank login page and clicking Forgot Username. System will ask for key information such as your account number, social security number, or the email address tied to your account. Double check everything you enter. Even a small typo like an extra space or incorrect digit can cause the process to fail. If you've changed your phone number or email recently, try entering the old one. First Citizens often verifies identity using the data on file, and updates don't always reflect instantly. Once you regain access, make sure to update your current contact details to avoid future login issues. If you're waiting for a recovery email and it doesn't show up, check your spam or junk folders. Automated messages from banks sometimes get filtered out by email providers. And remember, if you requested multiple recovery emails, only the latest one will work. Older links expire automatically. Still can't get through the recovery page? Try clearing your browser's cache, disabling autofill, or switching devices. Sometimes saved login data interferes with new form submissions. If nothing works, don't hesitate to call First Citizens customer service at 1-888-323 4732. Their representatives can verify your identity and help you recover your username securely. Once you're back in, take a moment to confirm your security settings and recovery options. Keeping them updated ensures you won't run into this problem again. So, if your First Citizens Bank username recovery failed, the solution is usually simple. With accurate details and a quick verification call, you'll be back in your account and banking with confidence in just minutes.